Is Rainbow Six Siege down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Rainbow Six Siege servers right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. So if you try to go to Twitter and then if you go and search Rainbow Six Siege and then if you go to latest tweets, you will see some comments from people who also have problems with Rainbow Six Siege right now. As you can see here, many people are complaining. If you scroll down, you will see a lot of tweets from people who have issues with Rainbow Six Siege right now, so you don't have to worry about it because they will fix this as soon as possible. You are not the only one who has problems with Rainbow Six Siege right now. This guy right here has this server connection error. The Rainbow Six Siege servers unreachable. Please try again later. You can also contact their support on Ubisoft, but mainly you just have to wait until they fix it because this problem, it's not from you, it's from them, so they'll fix this as soon as possible. So if you do have issues with Rainbow Six Siege right now, you can comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, what specific problems do you have, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic and for some more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.